a little tutorial on how to do some of these exercises that are in our little challenge. All right, so the first one is push-ups, right? So obviously everybody isn't at the same level, right? Obviously everybody can't do 100 push-ups. Some people can't even do, 10, right? So basically this is gonna just be a way for me to show you guys how to vary them and how to change the way you're doing it so that you can actually get through the program within a week. And possibly, build up to being able to do the full push-ups. So if you can do a full push-ups, it should look something like this. All right, your hands should be shoulder width apart, right? And you want to come up. You want to keep your back straight. All right, I'll show you the side angle so you can see how my back is straight while I'm doing this. All right, back straight, head up. Right. It's going to protect your shoulders. It's going to also work your hips. It's going to work your leg a little bit. It's going to work your stomach, but the majority is going to be in your chest and your arms. So, one push-up. Down, up. Super simple. All right, so if you're finding it difficult to do that, there's also another way that you can do it that you can get the same kind of work. And it's something that we call just a varied push-up. We don't gotta call it girl push-ups or anything like that because that's disrespectful. Everybody at a different level. So let's just call it varied push-ups. Just show you side angle. So when you're doing these push-ups, these modified push-ups, you want to still keep your back straight, but you're gonna put your feet up like this. All right? These are still difficult. So don't think just because your knees are up that it's going to make it a lot easier, especially if your back remains straight. Don't let it dip down here and don't do this here and try to cheat with it. You want to get the full range of motion even though you're on your knees. All right, so if you see my back is straight, I'm go down, then I'll come up here. Go down, then I'll come up here. All right? That is the second variation to it, right? Then, if you find that that's too difficult and you can't get through, 5 or 10 of those, easier way to do it is to find a surface to press off of. So I'm going to use a windowsill here. Well, I'll use a chair. Right. So you can use a table, you can use a chair, you can use the wall even if you find that the chair is too difficult. And you still want to keep your back straight, right? Same way. And it's going to go down, and then you're going to go up again. Go down, come up again. Basically, what you're doing is you're deloading your chest the higher you go. So the lower you are to the ground, is the more of a load is going to be on your arms and on your chest. And the higher you come up, is the easier and easier it's going to be so you can get to the repetition.